Are you tired of searching through endless images and documents every time you need a file in WordPress? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to organize your WordPress Media Library into neat, easy-to-manage folders using a fantastic plugin called Filebird. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful new way to keep your site's files organized, accessible, and hassle-free. So whether you're managing product shots, blog images, or client logos, everything is just a couple of clicks away. Let's dive right in. The first step is to install and activate the Filebird plugin. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find all your site tools. Click on Plugins, then Add New. Now you should see a search bar up at the top right corner. Just type in Filebird and WordPress will quickly search its plugin directory for you. Filebird should come up right away. When you see it, click Install Now. This is just like downloading an app on your phone. WordPress will do all the work for you in the background, so give it a moment. When installation finishes, that button will turn blue and say Activate. Definitely click that. Activation is important. It lets the plugin actually work on your site. Once Filebird is active, your media library will look a bit different. You'll see a folder structure appear on the left side, almost like what you get in Windows Explorer or Mac Finder. This means you're ready to get organized. Next, let's set up some folders to keep your files sorted. Go ahead and click Media in your dashboard, then select Library. You should now see a new sidebar on the left with Filebird's controls. Look for a button or icon that says New Folder. It usually looks just like a little folder, so it's easy to spot. Click it, and you'll be prompted to name your folder. This is where you want to be specific and descriptive. Think 2024 blog images, client logos, or promo videos. Giving your folders clear names makes it much easier to find the exact file you need later, especially if your site grows bigger over time. When you're happy with the name, just hit Enter or click the checkmark, and you'll see the folder pop up in your list. And here's a helpful tip. If you want even more organization, you can create subfolders. For instance, inside a Product Shots folder, you might add Summer Collection and Winter Collection as subfolders. To do this, simply select a parent folder first, then click New Folder again. It's super intuitive, but don't worry if you need to try a couple of times to get it just right. Now let's talk about organizing your actual media files. Filebird makes this so much easier and more visual than WordPress's basic setup. You've got two main ways to move your files, but let's focus on the super satisfying drag and drop method. First, make sure you're in either the list or grid view. Filebird works with both, so use whichever you prefer. Select the files you want to move. You can click on one or use Shift or Control if you want several at a time. Once you've got your files chosen, simply drag them over to the folder you want on the left panel. Seriously, just click and hold your mouse, move it over and let go. It's as easy as organizing files on your computer. Your files will instantly appear in their new folder. No need to wait and no complicated menus. If you're working with a lot of images, this might take a couple of passes, but don't rush. Take your time and enjoy the satisfaction of seeing everything fall perfectly into place. And that's really all it takes. With Filebird, you've transformed your media library from a cluttered pile into a beautifully organized workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another plugin you want me to cover. And make sure you subscribe for more easy WordPress guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy organizing.